Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, children. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Last class we have discussed around the quadratic equations, right? So today what we have to do? You want bit more questions, or we have to start some other topic? How is it?
Sir, we can start new topics, sir, because we have done quadratic equation for many days.
What we can start, Sreyashi?
I'm telling we can start a new chapter. Sir. That's it.
Which chapter we need?
The triangles, maybe.
Triangles. They've started in your class triangles chapter.
Sir?
Dhananjay?
Yes, sir.
They've started triangle chapter in your school.
No, sir. They're gonna start tomorrow.
They're going to start tomorrow. All right.
Yes.
Sir, surface area and volumes.
Surface and volume they have started. Hansini.
No, sir.
That is interesting chapter actually. Surface and volumes. You should know the things, calculation part, formula part. Then we can do. See, triangles, so many formula. This and proving sums are there in that. In triangles.
Sir.
Dhananjay, Ivan, Karthik, Tanishka. And then Monish. On your cameras, all of you.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Sir, I on it in 3 minutes.
What, Harshit?
I didn't say anything, sir.
Okay. So, कौन सा करना है? Surface and volumes is so fine. Triangles I don't want to start right now. Triangles bit later on we will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which all chapters we have? Coordinate you have done. Coordinate.
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Monish, we have done coordinate in the starting. I think we have not done or not coordinate geometry. No.
No, sir. We haven't done it.
No, so we haven't done it.
Okay. A very interesting chapter. AP you have done, right? Okay, we start
Yes,
with coordinate
sir.
geometry.
Yes,
Very
sir.
interesting and very easy. We can finish it fast. Okay. Coordinate geometry is fine, no? Harshit, Monish, Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very interesting chapter. You can feel like to read that.
Yeah.
Triangles I'll start. No. You people start sleeping right now only. That's why you want to start a bit later on. Because this geometry is not something finding out. Only proving is there. But any interesting only. But if you do theorems, this, that, and all, no. You may
Sir,
not
are you
feel
talking
that
about
interesting.
triangles?
Triangles. After this chapter, we'll start triangles. Fine. Okay.
No,
After
sir.
that
Are
one.
you talking about that chapter?
Yeah.
Oh,
If you
okay,
do
sir.
proving something like if you do no. So you may not feel like, like what we have done AP, what we have done statistics, what we have done quadratic also. That is also
Okay.
fine only, but something will be there to proving thing will go something boring way, right?
Yes.
But anyway, I think we'll do interesting. After this chapter, now we'll start that only. Fine. So now coordinate part is here. Concept wise here. Class 9th is this, right? Class 10th. Coordinate. Means class 9th you have read basics of coordinate geometry, right? Basics of coordinate geometry you have read in class 9th. If I tell you 2, 3, this is line or a point?
Point.
Point.
Point, sir.
And you know the quadrant of this, which it lies in which quadrant and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I tell you x is equal to 2, that is point, a line or a point? X is equal to 2, he's given you here. That is point or a line?
Lines.
line.
Hmm. And y is equal to minus 3 is also line only, right? You know how to draw on the
Yes.
number on this one coordinate axis, how to draw? All of you know?
Yes.
Draw on coordinate axis. If you're not knowing, tell me. Ivan Karthik, you know?
Sir.
Okay. See in this figure, if you see here, see the blue color line, x is equal to 2. Means on x axis, where is 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 2. So make, if x is equal to 2 is mentioned over here, write x is equal to 2 and it should be parallel to which axis? Y axis.
Y-axis.
If you are talking about x is equal to 2, that is parallel to y axis. If you are talking about y is equal to something, that is parallel to x axis. You can see y is equal to minus 3 over here. Can you see this? Y is equal to minus 3.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yes, sorry, I got a call from some number. So see, coordinate, all of you can understood which all coordinates are there here. So if I write 0, 0, which coordinate lies 0, 0?
Origin.
It's the
Origin.
origin.
So there's
Origin.
no coordinate there is no quadrant. Only 0, 0, that is what? Origin. Okay. If I tell y is equals to minus 3, which coordinate this lies? Which quadrant this lies? Y is equals to minus 3. Which quadrant? Yes, tell me. Who will tell me?
Third
Which
and fourth
quadrant
one.
y is equal to
Sir,
minus 3 lies? Tell me.
4, sir. Quadrant number 4.
Yes, everyone tell me which quadrant it lies.
Sir, third and fourth.
3
Third.
and 4, sir.
Hmm?
3 and 4, sir. Quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Don't write anything. See, we are talking about any point which lies on the y-axis or something, any quadrant, any point we are talking about, right? If this is a line, no, we are not talking about quadrant. We just write this is a line which is parallel to x-axis. That's all. We are not writing here quadrant in this case. Quadrant we are writing for only for what? Points, okay? Quadrant we are writing
Okay,
only for points. Suppose 3, 4, that lies in first quadrant. So
So
for this, we not write quadrant, what we'll write? This is a line which is parallel to
parallel to
x-axis.
X-axis.
Okay.
That's all. Next. What are Miss class 9 just basic you have learned, right? So horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Then quadrant, all of you just did already, right? So quadrant part, you have all this. If you are having a small also, because I'm going in air right now. Because I feel that you might be knowing this. See, quadrant first is having both x and y is positive. Quadrant 2 is having minus and plus. Quadrant third is both minus. Here is plus and minus, right? So if you're not getting anywhere, just stop me. I'll be slower. With these things, I believe that everyone know this. That's why I'm going a bit faster here. Okay. So x-axis, y-axis divide the coordinate plane into 4 sections are called quadrants. Okay. In first quadrant, both coordinates and y coordinates are, see, same thing is mentioned, just theory part is given over here. In first quadrant, what is there? In second quadrant, what is there? Third quadrant, it's like a history kind of thing. So no more to study this all. All of you know, right? Fine, no?
Yes, sir.
Next formula. This is very, very important. This one is very, very important. Okay. D is what? X1 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is very, very important formula. Very first formula. If you're finding distance between any 2 points, suppose it's given that you should find 3, 4 and 3, minus 8. What is the distance between these two?
12, sir.
You can find by this formula, okay? You can find by this formula, all right?